Santa Toolbox, slip a spanner under the tree for me. A quarter ratchet will do from you. Hurl it down the chimney tonight. Santa Toolbox, rusty Ford Fiesta I got. Guess what? 59 convertibles in blue, driving through my window tonight. Think of all the fun we've had, making videos that are so bad. Next year we're gonna make a living, only play the gigs where we get paid. Santa Toolbox, crate of my favorite brew from you. I've been a pain in the ass, it's true. Pour it down my chimney tonight. Santa Toolbox, one little thing that I need to please. Too many beers and treaties for me. Piss it down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with decorations that you nicked from me. I really do want them back, so I can shove them right up your crack. Santa Toolbox, a new guitar is all that I need. You see, the one I got is just too heavy, so gently down the chimney tonight. Santa Toolbox, forgot to mention one little thing. My ring, I mean the one in my pants. Santa Toolbox, put my curry down the chimney tonight. Hurl it down the chimney tonight. Pour it down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight.